Need a reliable, easy-use hand-pushed concrete cutter for construction work? Meet the GFS400, built for high efficiency and stable on-site performance. Professional cutter with 450 mm blade, dual aperture, 25 or 50 mm. Built-in 20 liters large water tank cools the blade, reduces dust, and extends blade life. Max cutting depth reaches 170 mm, handling heavy-duty jobs easily. Power choices: gasoline engine or diesel engine. Stable power output to fit different working conditions. Easy to start and operate, friendly for new users. Sturdy structure, high cutting efficiency. GFS400 is your perfect partner for construction, road maintenance, and municipal projects.